Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the independently published Messenger Animals Oracle by Susan Green. Thank you so much to Susan for sending this deck our way. I am truly appreciative. I'm so excited to get into it. It is 48 inspirational cards and a guidebook. It retails for $28.95 in the UK, and that makes it around $36 and some change here in the United States. As always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings, and my Whatnot link where I sell handmade ritual items as well as crocheted goodies. All right, let's get into it. Have you ever wanted to better understand the cyclic energy of your soul with the situations and people presenting into your life? Are you needing more clarity to connect to your own authentic truth and confidently shine your inner light? This card deck, blessed by the angel numbers, comes to help you realize the influences to guide you into your own ascension through recognizing emotional and behavioral patterns that present. When working with this deck, you will embark on a guidance that is divinely inspired through the Love Purity networks. Higher thought, abundance, and soul expansion is attainable for you, and these beautiful messenger animals are excited to help you find the way there. Artwork. So animals are drawn by Susan Green, psychic energy healer and visionary, using artist pens. All right, let's get into it. Okay. There's the back of the cards. Look at him. Oh, little turtle. Okay. We have a nice table of contents there. So lots of information. We even have intention setting. Nice. Okay. And then it goes into, oh, we got a manta ray. Lots of animals. Okay. Ooh, we have key elements on each card. So an animal. Oh, each card is like a divine vortex channel for your soul, existing on this physical plane to flow through and with these divine forces to help you better comprehend who you are in an expansive consciousness. This booklet helps you to understand an overall message aligned to how each animal helps guide, but everyone's journey is personal, unique, and you understanding this authentic aspect of who you are is priceless. So we do have an animal, element of air, element of earth, element of fire, and element of water. It opens you to the guidance through assertive action and conscious understanding. The deck is the medium to understand your higher purpose and how to achieve in life on the path of least resistance. I love this. Okay. Clear your mind. We do have some sample questions. What is the energy I'm connecting to through? How am I connecting with this influence? Ask questions that are not yes or no answers, but open you to clarity that helps you to move forward and focus with inspired action. Nice. Okay, one card pool, multi-card pool. That's awesome. So like 1, 2, 3. Trust what you receive. And then it goes into the animals. Okay, let's get into it. It is a nice size. It's probably, I would call it average oracle size here. Big and nice. There's the back. I would not call it a high gloss. I feel like there's a bit of a shine, but mostly matte. All right. So cute. And we have keywords on here, and there are the elements as well. How fun. Oh, bat. Oh, how cute. A little beluga whale. I really like the artwork here. Oh, so sweet. kind of like this being like stripped down to bare bones. You still get a lot of intuitive hits out of it. I love the additional elements there, as well as the keywords on the cards. It feels very beginner friendly. It feels like a different type of animal oracle. It looks like there's like, as well as the positive aspects of the animal, there's also like the shadow side as well. Cute. Very well done with the art. Oh. The detail is so cool. Oh, precious. So sweet. Oh my goodness. I don't think I've seen a tamarin in any of the other animal decks that we've reviewed. So sweet. Oh my goodness. If you are a Flight of the Conchords fan, you'll understand why I always laugh whenever I see hippopotamus. Oh. I'm excited to get into the guidebook. Ooh, we've never had a leafy sea dragon in a deck on this channel before. Not that I can recall anyway. Wow. Zaboomafoo. So cute. Yay, we have a llama. Ooh. I am one of those women that will absolutely try to pet anything. No, I'm very aware of things that can hurt me. Oh, cute. I love a good manta ray. Octopus. Man, they're so smart. This is great for a card a day pull for confirmation. Oh, platypus. Cute. I mean, I know I say that with all animal decks, but I adore them. You know, there's just something so majestic about working with the animal energy. Oh. Ooh, we got a raven. I can't get over how beautiful this art is with just artist pens. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. You just want to pet the seal head. Beautiful. Oh. Everything is clear, everything you can read well. It's not too busy. And we got wolf. All right, let's shuffle. Oh, not bad. Oh, we forgot to talk about cardstock. So it is not super thin, but it is not very thick. It is a nice little even point right there. It's flexible, snaps back. I like it. I tend to appreciate more of a flexible and on the thinner side cardstock just because, like, sometimes that stiff cardstock gets a little too hard to shuffle for my hands. But I know everybody's different. Everybody likes different things. We're going to read for the porcupine, but I do like how it shuffles. I do not have an issue with it. I do want to point out, if it feels too big for your hands to shuffle the other way, you can shuffle side by side like this, and it works out just fine that way too. All right, let's read for the porcupine. Cute. So the keywords here: healing, self-reliant, and illogical and unpredictable. It looks like air and earth. We're gonna go to the table of contents, page 92 for Mr. Porcupine. Okay. Oh, so we have two different pages of meaning. So I'm going to call it for the light side and the shadow side here. So we'll read for the light first. So healing and self-reliant. This is such a wonderful phase for you, and this card presents to let you know that all you are and all you do is divinely protected. Your light and the path you walk is guided by those in spirit and ancestors of the past to show you where and how to exist in a way that creates an ongoing sense of clarity, purpose, mind, body, soul strength, and well-being. The porcupine animal angel is very prominent in helping to shield your space as you move through a cycle of letting go of destructive habits and introducing new beneficial ones. Awareness is key to this evolution, so allow yourself to be guided by higher thought and trust what you feel, for it will help you to make positive, assertive decisions that benefit you through the physical, metaphysical, and energetic alignment of who you are, connecting to the abundance in this life. This is a positive transitional time of healing of old wounds and being shown situations, thoughts, and energy that help embrace a newfound vitality and frequency that is deeply connected to your soul and consciousness expansion. Ooh, I love that. And let's read for the, I'll call it shadow side. Illogical and unpredictable. You may be feeling like nothing makes sense. You want to live life fully. You feel like you are doing all the right things to make that happen. And yet there is always a curveball that seems to throw you off balance. Life doesn't connect and make sense like it should. Opportunity and situations come forth, but inevitably it leaves you wanting. Spirit of the Porcupine is here to help you realize that this is sourcing through attachments of destructive energy. Psychic attacks come in many forms and often are connected to your karma, the opposing forces blocking the ability for you to thrive. What you are experiencing may display as physical illness, mental, intuitive, emotional instability, bad luck, loss of motivation, as mentioned above, a seemingly impossible wall to climb to change your reality. It robs you of your personal power and ability to truly live life fully. Be proactive in finding those that can work with you to help cleanse and protect your space. Set intention to dissolve attachments that open to psychic attacks and reclaim your personal power. Be persistent, be present, trust the process, and step by step you'll find your life force ever growing and empowering you again. Oh, I like that. It's not just one little blurb. It's like a nice explanation in here. It's beautifully done. I feel like it's a wonderfully different animal deck compared to the ones we have seen before. This does feel very fresh. It feels very unique. And I love, like, I don't want to say bare bones, but it does feel like it's stripped down to just the essentials, which is nice sometimes to have that, you know, straightforwardness of a deck, but it also allows you to use your intuition and to dive deeper. So I think it's beautifully done. I think it is wonderfully illustrated. It's just gorgeous. I'm not usually one to like want to work with just straight black and white decks all the time, but this is really easy on the eyes. It's easy to utilize, very beginner friendly. And if you are interested in having a unique animal deck, I highly suggest checking this one out a little bit further. Check out the website too. There's a bunch of stuff on there. I was, you know, going through it all, and it was very, very motivating and very cool to see all of that stuff there. So I am now going to turn it over to you. What do you think about this deck? Is this something that you're excited about? Have you heard of this before? Are you now going to check it out a little bit more? Is it going to go on your wish list, or is this a pass for you? Let me know all your thoughts down below in the comment section. And whilst you're there, if you've made it this far in the video, drop your favorite animal emoji along with your comment as well. Thank you so much to Susan for sending this deck our way, and thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.